What's up, everybody? Welcome to BioWare 3 Raw TV. Well, all right, let's just start over again because I hate doing this. I hate having to refilm something, but the audio didn't come out in the intro that I filmed yesterday, so we're just gonna have to refilm it now. Which is, bear with me, guys. This piece doesn't really go with the rest of the videos. This is kind of be like the only piece that doesn't really fit, but. You might be looking at the first piece that you saw of me eating at Five Guys and be like, well, Jerry, what the hell are you filming at Five Guys? Why are you sitting in your living room or your kitchen now? Like, what the fuck is going on? Here's the deal. Yesterday was my cheat day. And just like every week, what I do is I go to Five Guys. I have my burger. I sit down for about an hour and a half, just chill. And I've been going there for years. I went there through the whole pandemic. I never wore a mask. They know me. Like, they know my name. They know my order. They punch in the order before I even walk up to the counter. And they see me walking in, but they put the order in already. Like, hey, Jerry, how are you? Never bothered me, right? And now Five Guys is back to normal, meaning that nobody's wearing masks. The people that work there don't wear masks. There's no more social distancing. The condiments are out. But it took, like, a few weeks to a month to really settle back in to not being what we were going through with the masks and the restrictions and everything. And the whole point of, putting Five Guys is there is like everything's already normal. But yesterday, after Five Guys, I had to teach a class for posing at the shop gym for bodybuilding. And I was heading out to see my friend PJ Black. Now, PJ is former WWE superstar Justin Gabriel, and he wrestles for Ring of Honor now. And Ring of Honor had their first live crowd back in an event since before the lockdowns. So it's been about a year and a half since they've had a live crowd. Now, my thing was, PJ's like, he's coming into town. He lives in LA, so I haven't seen him in like 2 years. And he's coming into town, so I'm like, cool, I want to hang out with him. He's like, let's come up to the match. I'm like, cool. And I'm like, what is it going to be like? Right? Just going to Five Guys was weird. You know what I mean? Like, and I was going there every fucking week. And that was even weird when things started to change back to normal. I'm like, what is it going to be like? Do we have to wear masks in there? I mean, even though it's not mandated statewide anymore in Maryland, the venue can still mandate masks. They can still mandate social distancing. They can, if things get to the point where people are not following the rules, they can still shut it down on their own. They can shut the whole show down and kick everybody out on their own. It's their right to do whatever the fuck they want with their property. And it's at UMBC, the University of Maryland, Baltimore campus. And they hadn't had any events there. They've had no events there. This is the first event they've had there. It's Ring of Honor's first event with live, people with a crowd. And I was like, man, I was really apprehensive. I was like, I don't know. What is it going to be like? Like, everything is just fucking weird. Like, we spent, a year and a half basically walking like a line, like walking on eggshells, not knowing. Like, regardless of what the news said, and I would look online, we couldn't figure out what the fuck was going on, what rules were here. This store had these rules, this mall had that rules, this fucking flight has these rules. And there was no way of knowing what the fuck was going on, state to state, store to store. You don't know. Like, it's so fucking confusing that for someone like me who likes structure, and I like to do the same things over and over again, you don't know what the fuck's going on day to day when you go anywhere. And that causes anxiety, it causes stress, it freaks you the fuck out. And I was like, shit, I actually had some anxiety and some tension going out to go to this wrestling match, which should just be a great fucking time. Like a summer night that a friend's coming in fucking town. Like, it should be, this is awesome. I can't wait to go. And it was like, I'm really looking forward to going. Like, I want to hang out with PJ and stuff, but I'm a little like freaked out. Like, what the fuck is it going to be like? You know what I mean? Like, there were all these like unanswered questions. That was the whole point of the piece that I shot in the car, which the audio didn't turn out. So I'm reshooting now. And the rest of this video, you guys are going to see how that night played out. All in all, what kind of night it was, how things went, and, where we ended up at the end of the night. So without further ado, here's the vlog from my first event, attending my first live event, going anywhere, whether it's a concert or anything like that, since lockdowns. The first event being held at UMBC, the first event with a live crowd back for Ring of Honor. There was a lot of firsts and a lot of apprehension on, I think, everybody's part. Everybody, you guys will see like when we get there, but once I got to the event, I'll just put this piece in here right now because I couldn't put it in yesterday. When I got to the event, people were a little standoffish. They were a little kind of like, kind of looking around. I think everybody there was feeling the same thing that I was feeling, a little bit of tension, feeling out the situation, trying to figure out what's going on. And you're going to see really quickly where that went. So without further ado, here's what happened. So we get here at the UMBC campus, which is the University of Maryland, Baltimore campus. And we get to the event center and got the ticket. PJ, thank you very much, brother. And I look, and if you look behind me, people are lining up, really no social distancing, no masks. Everybody's just normal right now, and they're excited. Like, they're in here talking about matches and talking about their favorite wrestlers and stuff like that, and they're pumped. You can see them, they're all like excited to be back, and it's a little weird because it's like I stepped back in 2019 again, because it really is just completely normal here. There's nothing going on. It's like the people standing here just stepped right through the whole pandemic, came over here like it never happened, which is pretty awesome. It actually takes kind of a load off my mind, wondering what it was going to be like, or do I have to hold the thing with a mask? Now, if you guys have not had your masks taken off yet, meaning your state hasn't opened up, when you take them off and you have to go to put them back on, it's a very strange experience. It's not like it's automatic again. You know, if you haven't worn it for about a month and a half, you have to go in somewhere and wear it for 8 hours or something like that. It's very strange. I had to wear one when I go to the dispensary in DC. Of course, it's a medical facility, so you have to wear a mask in a medical facility right now still. Airplanes, airports, stuff like that. And I had to put it on for about 15, 20 minutes. And of course, mine's that one with the holes in it. It's not even like a real mask. But it's weird. It's very weird. But as of right now, things don't seem so weird. They just seem normal and fucking awesome. Ready to go. We're about 45 minutes out from bell time. All right, so apparently there are some restrictions. I'm sorry, you were saying it was 1,200 people total?
Yes, roughly, per very roughly.
So they're going to do 1,200 people total for all the fans, which is why it's so spread out. And what else are they doing? They're social distancing.
In pods.
In pods.
2 to 6 people.
2 to 6 people. So there are some restrictions. So it's not totally full like it usually is, but it is what it is. It's still a good time. All right, well, the match is over. I stayed for a couple more matches, and I'm actually meet up with PJ now, go grab something to eat. Man, it was amazing to be back. Back around people, back to being at an event. It was like nothing ever changed, to be totally honest with you. And, you know, people are still wearing masks here and there, but it's a wrestling event, and people are wearing wrestling masks. So it's like you don't really notice the hospital masks because they're already wearing wrestling masks and shit like that. So it was just people are so excited to be there. Everybody's just happy. Everybody's just excited. And although it was a little weird at first, things settled down really quick, and it's just awesome. So I'm hungry. I'm starving right now. Let's go grab PJ and grab some food. All right, Peach, what was it like, man? First night back with a live crowd.
It was pretty awesome, not gonna lie. I mean, it's still pretty weird, you know.
Was it weird? That's the whole point of this vlog, was that it was weird for me to go.
Yeah.
It was weird, like, what's going to happen? Like, so it did feel weird for you?
It was weird because we didn't know what to expect, right? We knew fans were hyped, and they were.
Yeah.
But like, it's almost like nothing happened. That's what's
That's
weird.
what I said. Yeah, it was like we're back in 2019 again.
But here's the thing: like, I guarantee we're gonna go into another lockdown before winter.
You think so?
I think so. And my family in South Africa, they just went into like level 5 lockdown, which is apparently like super high. I don't even know what that means, but that just means it's gonna come here too. So it's not over yet. I hope it is, but who knows? Who knows what the fuck is going on? That's
We just had a serious conversation about what the fuck is going on. So
Yeah.
we're at Jimmy Seafood, which is our place. You know, we always come out. If I'm in Baltimore and it's late, this is where we wind up coming. So, dude, it was just literally the fans were hyped walking up there, and everybody was just like laughing, joking, putting their arms around each other and stuff. It was like nothing fucking.
Yeah, and I mean that's what we need, right? We need more people to send positive vibes into the universe. That's what we need. You know what that feels like, the
Yes.
adrenaline. It makes such a huge difference. We've been doing empty arena shows for like the last 6 months, and I cannot tell you how much everything hurts. You know, you need that energy, you need the adrenaline, you need whatever
Feed
it is.
off
you
the
know?
crowd
yeah,
like that, yeah.
totally. Like we feed off the crowd. That's what wrestling is. Like it's about the show, like the entrance, the pyro, everything, right? It's crazy fucking times right now.
And he's got to fucking wrestle again tomorrow, so we got to get him to fucking bed.
Yeah, so peace.
Later, guys.